today, Jordan?
Making food.
What kind of food?
Harry Potter food.
Harry Potter food. We just started a series of themed mukbangs, and today we're gonna attempt trying to make a Harry Potter feast. Yay!
Yay!
We're gonna use this book that Jordan's auntie let us borrow because she's a big Harry Potter fan. You're gonna have to bear with us because Jordan and I are kind of newbies to Harry Potter. Don't come at us. Daddy's a big fan of Harry Potter, and so's Auntie. Let us know who's a Harry Potter fan out there. Who's read all the books, seen all the movies. Let us know. Daddy's at work right now, so he'll be home soon, hopefully. But Kaya just went to sleep. We just put her down for her nap. So let's try to get these things done, all right?
Harry Potter's bowl.
Oh no, what happened to his hair? Here we go.
This Ron.
Ron. Weasley? Oh. Who's that?
Hermione.
Hermione. Okay, so we're starting off. We're gonna try making some rock cakes. All right, put that in. 1/4. Because 1 cup, you break it up into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So fill it till right there. Okay. Okay, so 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay.
Looks like sand.
Keep going. Okay. Good job. Okay.
I'll do it.
Jordan! Just keep going. Just commit to it. So these are going into the oven, 350 degrees for 25 minutes. See you later. Okay, pumpkin pasties. Okay, so we have our pre-made dough. Should we roll it out a little? All right. These are almost ready to get in the oven. See you in a little bit. So next we're gonna do the roast beef. We're just gonna put it in here, and it's gonna be a little bit of salt and pepper. There's Kaya playing with her fruit. She wants to cook too. So we're just gonna throw it in and salt and pepper and throw it in the oven. That's it. Easy peasy. Oh, that's a lot of salt. Okay, so all around. We're gonna put it in the bottom shelf because we're gonna start baking some other stuff along with it. See you later. Okay, so now we're gonna do Harry Potter's favorite dessert, the Treacle Tart. It needs 2 1/4 cups fresh breadcrumbs. We don't know how fine of breadcrumbs this needs to be. Does it need to be really fine? Does it need to be cubed or chopped up?
Inside.
What do you think? How fine do you think we need to chop it up, Jordan?
This.
Uh-huh.
This.
Hi, Kaya. Place it over the pie.
And now you bake it.
Good job. Okay, here we go in the oven with the roast. Roast is coming on out. Oh, that's hot. Jordan made an ultra ball with the leftover pie crust.
You can paint it yellow and black.
Nice.
Yes.
Now we're gonna start with the Yorkshire pudding. We have some flour.
Can you say see?
All right, guys, we're in the last leg of this ball. This is tiring. It's a lot of work. All right, so last thing we're gonna make is butterbeer.
What is that?
Butterscotch. Okay, can you take your cup to the table?
Look at my butter beer.
So here's the final spread.
Oh
We
no,
have our
it's
mashed
melting.
potatoes,
It's melting.
our glazed carrots.
That
our
is melting.
roast. That's okay. Butter beer, Yorkshire pudding, rock cakes. What is this? Oh, more rock cakes. Pumpkin pasties, the treacle pie, and some gravy. All right, so the boys are gonna start eating now. So go check them out on the Crunch Bros. See you later.
See you, lady.
Oh, look it. Jordan's Harry Potter today.